Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we are going to give you a tour of the new Bird Shack location that recently opened in Ocho Rios. Now Bird Shack is a chicken store. There is a Bird Shack fried chicken. Now they are basically a new entrant into the chicken market or the fast food market in Jamaica. They opened their first store in 2022 in Montego Bay. They then went on to open two more stores in Montego Bay, and then the one we're looking at now in Ocho Rios is the fourth store, and they're going to open one on Red Hills Road. It's under construction now, where the old tasty patty location used to be. They're renovating it to open up a Bird Shack location. That will be the fifth store. So they seem to be doing very well in Jamaica. Now, this is the Fesco gas station in Ocho Rios. It's on the Ocho Rios bypass, or it's off the Ocho Rios bypass. And Bird Shack is one of the locations in this plaza. The Fesco gas station was built, opened, very nice gas station, and then they built a plaza beside the gas station. And that's a new trend now, especially on the North Coast. You put up the gas station and then you build a plaza beside the gas station. Now, Bird Shack also plans to open another store in Draxall. And that should open. I'm not sure if it's going to open this year or next year, but the store on Red Hills Road is to open next month, which is August. Now in Jamaica, when you think of fried chicken, KFC is number one. They're the largest fast food chain in Jamaica, and they are number one by all accounts. Then number two, when you're talking about fried chicken, would be Popeyes. I think it's 17 stores Popeyes has, and Burger King has KFC has over 40 stores, and a lot more opening. But Bird Shack plans to open 20 stores in Jamaica, and at the rate that they're going, they should get there very soon. So if they do open 20 stores, they will be the number two fried chicken, or the number two chicken outlet in Jamaica. So we'll keep you guys updated and as to what's going on with the new openings of the Bird Shack. So if anybody has eaten the food and wants to give a review, you can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Have a good day.